Hi students, this is Dr. Badrinath and today's video is organized drug and unorganized drugs. See, crude drugs in the subject of pharmacognosy, crude drugs divided into two, categorized into two types. Organized drug, see the meaning, organized, one organ, one part will be there. Unorganized drug, unorganized, no organ. Like that, you just the name is important. Organized drug, unorganized drug. See, all organized drugs are direct part of the plants. Senna leaves, cinchona bark. See, I am feeling cinchona bark. One part I am saying, one organ of the plant I am saying. Senna leaves. Particularly, I am saying one organ of the thing, roots, stems, bark, like that. Whereas a unorganized drug are the indirect part of the plants. Indirect part of the plants. There is no particular organ here. See, this is acacia gum. This is acacia gum. It is a gum. Gum is not part of the plant. Whereas a leaves part of the plant. Bark, it is a part of the plant. It is an organ of the plant. You can say it is an organ. Whereas a acacia gum, we cannot say it is a organ of the plant. We should not say it is an organ of the plant. See, eye is the organ in our body, whereas eye drops is not the organ of the body. But however, eye drops belongs to our body only. But we cannot say eye drops is the organ of the body. In the same fashion, this is also same fashion only. Organized drug, unorganized drug. Okay, right. See, crude drugs. Crude drugs are nothing but the substances either used directly or indirectly as a drug which have not been changed. Crude drugs. We are not going to be change any chemical molecular structure here. Same as it is, raw. As it is, we are not going to be semi-synthetic and we are synthetic. It is not at all. It is a natural crude drug. We are not going to be do any chemical composition. We are not doing any modification. See, crude drugs of natural origin divided into two main categories. Organized drugs, particular one organ will be there. Here, unorganized drug, they do not have particular organ. See, here, this is a course content. Here you can see in this video, organized drug, unorganized drug. See, dried latex, dried juices, dried extracts, gums, mucilages, oleoresins, oleo. All these bracket, whatever they have given in the bracket comes under unorganized drugs. I will explain you what is this entire topic. We will see all my notes is available in my mobile app. You can be download it from the Google Play Store. Go to the store option. Whatever I am presenting in the video, it is available in the form of a PDF. You go and select the particular course, whatever you want. Go to the store option. Here, everything I have explained you. And this is my YouTube. All my explanation videos will be available in the playlist. Okay. In the playlist, if you click on each subject, you will get a topic wise. Okay, so yeah, excellent here. Organized drugs are the direct parts of the plants and consist of one cellular tissue, one organ, one particular shape will be there. Leaf, bark, rhizomes, stem, like that one particular part will be there. Here, unorganized drugs, here I have mentioned unorganized drugs, even though they are prepared from the plants, but are not the direct part of the plants. They do not consist of particular cellular tissue. For example, say poppy tears, drops, milk or drops, poppy tears, beeswax. Beeswax doesn't have any structure, whereas a leaf bark means it consists of structure. See, here drugs are prepared directly from the particular organ of the plant. Here drugs are prepared by some intermediate physical process such as an incision. We have to make the incision, then only the milk will be come out. For beeswax, if you want to collect the beeswax, you have to put a smoke first initially. I will show you. Here I will show you the second point. Intermediary physical process. Here directly we are collecting the bark. See, with the help of a hand, directly we are collecting, prepared directly from the particular organ. Here we have to make an incision. Okay, like that. Physical processes you have to made it. Okay, opium latex. Examples I have shown you here. Serial wise, opium latex. Okay, beeswax, acacia gum, aloe vera juice. Here, cinchona bark, digitalis leaves, This is senna, actually. This is senna leaves. Turmeric rhizomes, quassia wood. Okay, right. See, next. They have a organized drug. They have a proper cellular structure because leaves, flowers, fruits, bark, roots. But here they do not have a well-defined cellular structure. Gum. What is the shape of the gum? We cannot say. What is the shape of mucilage? What is the structure of mucilage? We cannot say all these things. Resins. Here, that's why we need a microscope. Systematically, you can study here TS section of the fruit, TS section of the leaf under microscope. But here we can study these type of unorganized drug by using a organoleptic properties. Organoleptic 5 senses, like a smell. Okay, and characterization. For example, here we can say one example: leaf stomatal index will be there. Here, what is stomata? Where is stomata? Nothing is there. See, viscosity, what is the viscosity of the gum? What is the optical rotation? What is the density of gum? Like that we have to study here. Okay, they are a solid in nature. All these are the solid in nature. But here they may be solid, or whenever it is coming from the plant, it is a liquid. After that, it turns into semi-solid. And finally, when it dried on the plant itself, it becomes a solid. Okay. And these are the sources from the plants and animals. These are the sources from the plants, animals, and minerals also. Here, organized drugs, full examples I have given. All these examples you can be right, at least 50% you can be right in the leaves, distalis, eucalyptus, barks, one particular structure will be there. Fruits, seeds, plants, hair, fibers, particular. Here there is no particular shape, particular organ. Unorganized drug, dried latex, dried juice, dried extracts, waxes, gums, resins, volatile oils. All these are the do not have particular shape, do not have particular organ. Okay, and we will see that what is the gums and mucilages side by side. I covered all the points from the CK Koketa and all other books also. Gums and mucilages, keep in your mind. Comparatively, you had to study. Looks like similar. Gums and mucilages. These are the abnormal products of the plant. Abnormal product, very important. Abnormal products. These are the normal products of the plant. Why I will say you abnormal product? Here I will explain you why abnormal product. See this point. Pathological, these are the pathological products and are produced when the plant is growing under the unfavorable condition. Okay, or whenever we will injure, then only this comes. Gums. Okay, these are the normal products of the normal secretions from the plant. We are not going to be injure anything here. Not pathological products. Okay, and these are not produced when the plant is these are produced when the plant is growing naturally under the favorable condition. That's why you can say it is a natural product of the plant. These are abnormal product. See, gums are translucent. It looks like a transparent. You can see the that side also. What is there? That side, translucent amorphous substances produced by the plant. These are the thick glue-like substances. Which is produced from the plants and microorganisms. Okay, and it forms a viscous adhesive gum. See, it forms a viscous adhesive gum. But here these are not viscous. These are the slimy masses, slimy masses with the water, but do not dissolve. These are the dissolves in water. Gum dissolves slowly in the water. It becomes swell and later it dissolves. These are made up of sugar, salt, uronic acid. These are made up of esters, sulfuric acid. And the example is gum acacia, gum tricantha, gum gatti, gum kharaya, and here these are the obtained from, for example, isabgula husk. This is seeds. It is obtained from the cell wall of the seeds of epidermis, isabgula, linseed. Okay, and oleoresins and oleogum resins. What is this one? See, oleogum resins, oleoresins. See, name itself indicate it is a mix of oil. See here, homogeneous mixture of the natural plant resins and volatile oil. See here, volatile oil and resin. Here, these are oleo, gum, resin. It consists of three. It is a homogeneous mixture of resin, gum, and volatile oil. It mixture of three. Example is capsicum, copaiba, and here you can say asafoetida. The Brahmins are using regularly, compulsory in every day because it is does the proper digestion, full proper digestion. It removes the gas, expels the gas, That's why at easy digestion, it makes your digestion very easy. Very excellent taste also there. Achi is available. Asafoetida, Ingu. Ingua in Telugu can say it is a ingua. It is nothing but oleo gum resin. It is a oleo gum resin. See, oleo gum resins are different from gum resins. See the point here. Gum resins are different from oleo gum resin because gum resins is a mixture of gum and resin. Oleo gum resin, it is a mixture of oil, gum and resin. Okay. Sometimes these also consist of enzymes also. That's why I like this Ingu very much. Okay. And the dried juices. These are juices are obtained from the fleshy leaves. Example is aloe vera, or from the stems of the tree. For example, Indian kino juice. Here aloe vera juice. It is a multi-purpose, external, internal, all purposes. Antioxidants, cosmetics, full health, immune system, A to Z. Aloe vera means A to Z. Aloe vera juice from the leaves and kino juice from the kino tree stems. And dried latex rubber is very good example. It is a product contained in a special secretory cells of certain plants like a latex. See, we have to make cut here. So slowly it releases the milk-like fluid. It becomes a solid. That solid we are going to be convert into a rubber, like a rubber tires, car rubber tires, or nowadays synthetic rubbers also available. That is another part. This is natural rubber. Okay, microscopically small particle oil globe. They are white aqueous here. It is usually white aqueous suspension. It looks like a milk. Microscope, under microscope, if you see, it consists of oil globules which are suspended. So it is natural suspension, not man-made suspension. It is a natural suspension. They may contain proteins, sugars, minerals, alkaloids. Okay, the true solution example is rubber chewing. And last one, dried extracts. Yeah, dried extracts are nothing but obtained from the animals. These are different from galenical extract, prepared by using alcoholic extract or hydroalcoholic solution. Adjust the product to standardization. Example, plant extract agar we are using in the microbiology. Without agar there is no microbiology. Okay, gelatin capsules we are preparing from this. All these obtained from this is what you can say bones. Okay, skin, cartilage, bones from the animals. From this they will made for children also very jelly like substances. So soft gelatin capsules also we are preparing from the animal. That is more than enough for your regular examinations.